I want to show you the one tool I use more than anything else in my leather shop. It's a rotary cutter. Now, yes, this thing is usually seen in the hands of quilters or people cutting fabric, but if you're working with leather, especially thinner hides, it's a total game changer. I use mine on anything under 7 to 8 ounce leather. It's perfect for bulk cuts, and I also use it to cut straight lines on just about any project. Compared to a blade or utility knife, this just glides through the leather with way less effort. No sawing, no fighting the material, just clean, straight lines in a single pass. The one I use has a 4.5 centimeter blade, which I've found to be the ideal size for leather. It's big enough to handle hides, but small enough to stay nimble. It also has this spring-loaded safety switch. You slide it forward to expose the blade, and when you're done, you just hit the button and the blade snaps back into place. Keeps it sharp and keeps your fingers out of trouble. And if the blade ever gets dull, it's replaceable. You can take the cutter apart by spinning the little knob on the outside, pop out the old blade, and drop in the new one, and it's super simple. I use this cutter constantly when I'm breaking down full hides. You line it up, one sweep, and you're through. It makes the whole process way faster and a lot cleaner. Here's a quick tip. When you're cutting, keep the handle and your hand straight up, so perpendicular to the leather. If you angle it too much, it won't apply enough pressure and the cut won't be clean. Once you get the hang of this motion, it becomes second nature. Now here's the trade-off. Rotary cutters are great for straight lines, but not for curved or detailed cuts. That's where your X-Acto knife or precision knife comes in, so don't throw those out just yet. But for straight cuts and production work, this thing saves time, saves effort, and honestly, I wouldn't want to cut down full hides without it. I don't see a lot of leather workers talking about rotary cutters, which is kind of wild considering how useful they are. So I figured I'd share it here. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below. And if you're watching this on TikTok, it'll be in my link tree, which is linked in my bio. If this was helpful at all, hit that like button and subscribe for more leatherworking tool tips and shop talk. And if you want to see the kind of leather goods that I make, head over to peeredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.